Hey guys, okay, so I ordered one of the mystery yarn bundles from Darn Good Yarn, and let's see what I got. I don't remember what I paid for it or anything. I am notorious for using my karma points for like everything. Ooh. So I'm not sure what it cost. I'll put the information in the video description below, but let's see what we got here. This looks like kind of like that fun for like kind of like the chenille. Yeah, it's more of a chenille texture, I would say. What is this? Fandango cotton. Oh wow. Sunrise 121 is the colorway. Original price. Yeah. This is 100% cotton. That is really neat. Huh. I don't know what I'm going to make with this. But that's really neat, and it feels nice too. Okay, first of all, I like these collars together. Those are pretty. Feels like a wool, maybe? No. Country cashmere. Let me see. 70% merino wool and 30% cashmere. It says dry clean, but that's what you probably should do anyway. There's the information for this dye lot. And these were originally 21. This one, again, the same thing. Here's the information there. Oh, wow. These I'm going to use together for a hat or something. I don't know. Okay. This isn't too bad. Again, I'll have to check, see what I paid, but I know I'll use this yarn, and I will definitely use this yarn too. So, it's hard to get a bundle of yarn and find ways to use all of it, because if this is cotton, I might be able to do some really nice washcloths with it or something. I don't know. But I'm going to look around and go on Ravelry and see if they have any patterns, anything people have made with this yarn. That's all I got, guys. Make sure to check the video description below for more information. If you have questions and comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on those notifications.